Tonight we love
titties.
If anybody comes to melt a power except my friend, I'm gonna kick him in the head with my spiky boots.
Yeah, it looks like there's another team going there.
Well, I have to fulfill my promise. Should I scream some Sonic memes into the mic?
Oh shit! I am flying past.
It appears there is 1, 2 men.
Oh fuck, they're close. Yeah, I fucked up. They're gonna beat me at the ground.
I'll distract them.
Are they?
Speed's my name, Sonic's my game!
They ran inside, I think, eh?
I don't know.
Are you inside?
Yes. I'm on the bottom floor. Hopefully they do not see me and shoot me and kill me.
Might want to pick up a gun.
I am looking desperately.
Oh,
Oh,
goodbye.
oh my nipple.
I found a gun. I found a gun. As if I survived that. I swore I said the N-word. PewDiePie, no!
He's playing this game too.
Oh, shit! Shit ass! I cannot see, Nicholas. You cannot kid me, for I am a virgin.
I'm unsure where they shoot from. Where do you shoot from? Do you shoot where?
Yeah, they're up top. Excuse me, sir. I can make a trade. I won't kill you. I won't kill you if you don't try to kill me. How about that? Watch when they're gonna kill me. They're just gonna be like, oh yeah, fuck you, bitch. I don't have a visual yet. Do you have a gun?
Yes, I have a revolver.
Ah, my favorite. Oh, some guy has an AK. We're fucked.
Where are they? What floor are they on? Can you pinpoint it?
No, I'm running away. I'm coming over here. Hopefully I'll find a fucking AR over here. Oh, Nicholas!
I did not get them. That was my one shot. They're on the second floor though.
Yeah, but don't go in. I'm gonna find an AK or something. I need to find an AR.
I have gone in. I am at the back door.
Nicholas, you're only. Oh no. This ain't good. Okay, nothing over here. Well, I only have a shotgun.
Shall we execute them with extreme precision?
Of course. This is no weakness to me. Excuse me. Oh, this is your last chance. We will kill you. I see them. Third floor. Yeah, third floor.
Really?
Yeah, third floor.
Should I make a run for the second floor quickly?
Yes.
Really quick. Distract them. Yell.
Ha!
Oh fuck, I got stuck at the stairs.
Goodbye, Nicholas.
I will come down the stairs to greet you. He's right here. Right here! So bad. So bad I cannot believe it. Your friend is also very bad. Very bad indeed. Yes. So bad.
We are victorious. We have executed you all. We told you. Do not fuck with us.
I need medical. I need medical, dedical, headical. I need head. Medical.
I want my dick sucked.
I got a pen. I will take that shit gun. Give me that shotgun. Give me that shotgun. Give me that shotgun, girl.
Here's 19 bullets for it.
Should I use the double barrel? Or should I use the pump? I like the pump action. I like to feel it. I like to feel it.
There's a first aid right here.
Ah, beautiful.
Level 2 vests over here.
I've got one. Oh, but it's dead. It's been shredded by a
Yeah.
Nippolonian.
Make sure to pick up
By
the
a
right one.
Nippolonian.
Bullet loops. Did I kill him? Nah, we already were here. I'm going third floor to check it out. I should probably heal up first.
Little bit of chicken fried.
Nick, I don't know why they didn't kill you.
Because they shit, they suck.
You suck shit, you suck.
Oh, let's bait him. We know where he is, but let's bait him. With his friend. He will never see it coming.
Alright, I guess that's it.
There was a level 2 vest, you said?
Yeah, but I don't know where it is anymore. It's like on the second floor or something.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, man. I'm gonna see if there's a vehicle, and then we can fuck
Okay.
off.
Okay. I need a bag. I need a bag.
Nigga,
Taco in a bag.
I speak the truth, and I spit the wisdom of the Wiz. Wiz
Of
Khalifa.
the day. Wiz Khalifa.
I do declare.
I do declare that Wiz Khalifa makes me queef.
Ah, Latifah. Wiz Khalifa Latifah takes the queefer.
He is the queef. The queef
And
weefer.
Snoop Dogg smokes the reefer.
Smoke that reefer, make him queefer. Just like his main bitch, Queen Latifah.
Oh, you know what? You know what I'm never gonna get used to? Driving a bike on first person. Oh my god. Get on, Nicholas.
You missed me.
You get on, fuck.
Oh yeah, I guess you can't tell.
Yeah.
Oh. I am able to look inside my own neck. Can you also look inside your own neck?
No, sadly not. Now this is my favorite part. I love riding my bike. Riding my bike is fun. Riding my bike is great. I will not stop riding my bike for
Make sure you keep an eye on your side view.
Oh yes, of course. They are a bit dusty, but I will be sure to check my
How
radar.
have we not fallen?
Because I love riding my bike. I tell you this all the time. I am the bike master. Is that another... Do I hear another vehicle? No. But I like riding my bike. Don't you worry, I will not tip today. So how are you?
I am delicious. Oh! No!
You must have done something to off balance my bike, because that was not me.
Do you have medical?
I have a painkiller and an energy drink.
Please, I need them. I am so cold.
Take what you can, filth.
I do not have the space.
God. Take your bullet loops while you're at it. Get on, we must ride.
I must attach the bullet loops. I will take the painkiller. I will kill my pain and grow some wings with this Red Bull.
There we go. You are a true Asian warrior. We must
Make
ride.
me. I get in. I have shotgun. I am ready to defend the American citizens.
We must not stop, for we are at good pace.
Do not stop.
I will not stop.
Do not falter.
Do not worry. For we will make it. Oh shit! Ah, they're onto us.
There's a man that was right there, but we could not see him, for we are in the first person.
We have arrived.
You're in a better place now.
we have arrived, road to Valhalla itself. We have completed our mission. We are done here.
So this is what Hades looks like.